Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna film a quick 10-minute get ready with me because I literally have 10 minutes to get ready before my friend gets here. We are going to go to the movies. I don't know what movie we're seeing, but yeah, so let's just do this. I'm gonna be trying out a new foundation. Oh, how brave I am. This isn't a new foundation. No, we're not gonna do this. I'm not doing a new foundation on a hot summer day. Going in with my go-to, you guys know what this is, the Revlon Color Stay. This is in the color Cappuccino. I think I'm almost at that point where I can switch to Mahogany because it is late July, so this is pretty much like when my skin starts to get pretty dark from the summer. But before I go in, because it is really hot these past couple of days, I'm going to prime with Airspun powder before. Especially like anywhere where I get super oily, I'm going to be applying. Yes, you will look a little Casper-y, but it is all good. Next, I am going to color correct my hyperpigmentation. So I just use this L'Oreal Coffee Concealer. I really like it. I think it's super comparable to the e.l.f. one, but it does its job. All right, next going in with our foundation. Okay, now that our foundation is applied, we're gonna go ahead and go in with concealer. So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Got some on my nose. I love this concealer. I love the color of it. Can't wait to get another one. I actually picked this up from the e.l.f. store though, and the e.l.f. store closed. They closed all of their brick and mortar stores. I was kind of sad about that. I'll have to order it online because I don't think Target sells my shade. Or this shade, maybe Walmart does, but this is like, I'm so obsessed with this rich chocolate color. Spritzing my favorite little sponge. This is the London Soho one that I got from the 99-cent store, and I recently saw they had some there. I love this, you guys. It is so good. Right, next we are going to slightly bake. I find it hard to bake when I apply with a damp beauty sponge because I feel like it just makes it so much. You just really want to apply, like you really want to, what am I trying to say? You really want to just blend in all the powder right away when your sponge is like nice and damp, but I'm trying not to. I'm trying to like let a layer sit on my skin for a moment because it is really hot outside and I don't want to be sweating all over the place. While we are baking, I am going to do my brows. To outline my brows, I am using the Rimmel Stay Matte in the color Almond. This is literally just a concealer I would probably use only to highlight my eyebrows. I'm not the biggest fan. If you guys hear, I don't know what's going on up here, but if you guys hear breathing and clicking and clacking, that is my dog Roxy. But I'm not too big of a fan of this face line, the Rimmel Stay Matte. I don't know what happened. I'm not the biggest fan of it. But this concealer, the color is working for outlining my brows. Okay, had to fix that. I don't know what was going on there. Okay, and then to fill in my brows, we have reached the end of this. Oh my gosh, literally the end of this Wet n Wild micro brow pencil. Stay tuned for my final review on this. This was interesting. So we're going back to an oldie but a goodie, which is our e.l.f. brow kit and our Revlon eyebrow pencil or eyebrow brush. These two together. It's just a classic for me. I think when I first got my eyebrows, not when I first got my eyebrows done, the first time I ever had to fill in my eyebrows was when I got them done and this lady completely took off all my eyebrows. If I can find the picture, I'll insert it, but it was so bad. So I was like devastated, so I went to Target to get like an eyebrow kit to fill in my brows, and this was it. And they say the first product you try, like the first brand, is usually like when you'll be stuck with the one you'll want for the rest of your, not the rest of your life, but like you'll most likely stick to that, you know? So that's why companies try so hard, like Q-tips or anything like that. Like if they can get you to try them before you try any other brand, they know you're more likely to repurchase them and become like a lifetime customer. So yeah, I'm pretty much a lifetime customer of e.l.f. because that, and I've just learned to love this eyebrow kit. I remember me and my friends were getting ready and one girl offered me her Anastasia brow pencil, and or maybe it was like the pomade, but I was just so hooked on this. I was like, I know what I like. I'm trying new things because I know this is not the best brow kit ever, but I can say it does work for me. And it's right there. So those are my brows. They're just like nice, thick, and cute. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. Guys, I just have so many concealers, it's kind of ridiculous. You don't need to use all these different concealers, but I just have them, so I'm trying to get rid of them. But I'm just going in with this eye because I do want to apply just a teeny bit of eyeshadow today. Always remember to set your eyeshadow. I feel like it is an extra step and some people might find it unnecessary, but it works for me. Okay, 3 minutes to clean this up, guys. So I want to use a color I've never used before, but I also don't think today is the day to do that. So I just want to add a little bit of color. So, well, this is more than just a little bit, but I'm going in with this color Penny with the e.l.f. 18 Wonders palette, and I'm just gonna blend this out. I wish I had, I think I am gonna use Rodeo Drive, but I'm gonna try not to use a lot. I just want this to be like kind of subtle. Okay, so now we're just going to blend out this, or we're going to get rid of this extra powder. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Face Press Powder to just fix everything up. Next, I'm going in with my 7-Eleven blush, and I'm just blending both of the colors in. And I want this to be pretty subtle, so I'm not gonna do a lot. And then, because I already said I would do it, actually I'm just gonna use a little bit of cream blush. Alright, I'm gonna apply mascara and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super simple, super summery because of the pops of gold and orange. This is Milani Mai Tai, and I use L'Oreal Infallible and Voluminous on my lashes. So it's just a very simple, quick, everyday summer look that you can throw on when you're going to the movies or wherever. Just want to give you guys a little affordable glam, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.